Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. Today I am reviewing the Timigo X1 4-in-1 Portable Car Combo Kit. This innovative design offers an air pump, car jump starter, vacuum cleaner, and flashlight all in one. The combination approach offers greater simplicity, convenience, better storage, and environmental friendliness. The air pump only takes 2 minutes to complete and can inflate balls, bicycles, mattresses, and more. The jump starter has a 1200 ampere peak current and can start the car in 1 to 3 seconds. The vacuum cleaner has a super suction of 10,000 pascals and can work continuously for 40 minutes. Lastly, the flashlight has a brightness of 300 lumens and can work continuously for 12 hours. The X1 is made from aluminum alloy and fire-resistant ABS plus PC plastics, which makes it safer, stronger, and more durable. The battery takes 4 hours to charge and can be used over 20 times. If you're looking for a combo kit to make outdoor trips more convenient and easier, I highly recommend the Timigo X1 4-in-1 Portable Car Combo Kit. Check out the link in the description to buy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.